Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can easily download DEM data from GIS. The GIS data download process link is available in my description box. So first extract your study area to create different river analysis map in ArcGIS. In this video, you will learn how to prepare a river order map and river density map step by step in ArcGIS. Next. To create a stream order map and stream density map from DEM data in ArcGIS, you need to follow this hydrology step. Step 1, add DEM data. Step 2, fill the DEM. Create flow direction. Create flow accumulation. First DEM, next fill, next flow direction, flow accumulation, raster calculator, map algebra, and stream order and stream density. Short explanation: fills, remove sink from dam. Flow direction shows water flow direction. Flow accumulation shows water accumulation. Stream extraction, create stream network and stream order, classify stream by hierarchy. Line density, calculate stream density per unit area. Next, stream order map. Stream order is a method used to classify rivers and streams based on their size and hierarchy in a drainage network. First, small streams are called first order stream. When two first order streams join, they form a second order stream, and when two second order streams join, they form a third order stream. Higher stream order means a larger and more important river channel. Next, drainage density map. Drainage density or stream density shows the total length of rivers or stream present within a unit area. It helps to understand drainage pattern, runoff condition, and water flow characteristic of an area. Higher river density maps means more streams are connected in that region. River density helps to understand drainage pattern, identity runoff and water flow condition, analysis flood prone areas, study water set characteristic, and understand soil erosion and infiltration condition. This map is river flow direction map. East, southeast, south. So let's start. First open ArcGIS. Then add data. Study area save file open. Then extract the study area. Open Arc toolbox. Special analysis tool. Extraction. Go to Arc toolbox, click Special Analyst tool and click Hydrology and click Fill. Run the Fill tool to remove sink and depression from the DEM. Then click Flow Direction tool to determine the direction of water flow. Then run the flow accumulation tool to calculate accumulated water flow. Then open raster calculator. Raster algebra and extract the stream network using the threshold value. Then click conversion tool. Raster to polyline.